Secondly, whatever the punches it was getting those A or B or C, we are having the evidence signed of copy with us the as a formal submission of the evidence.
Sorry.
Whatever the closed punches, get it off signed by
the company. Yeah. True. Actually, I mean, see, since I know a little bit about no procedure. Without A and B closure, you will not allow to do PHSER. So just I wanted to see the system, and I know ADNOC will not make any bypass. You will not allow. But we as a team, because we are a team, ultimately we are saying now this we are satisfying the project is HSE requirement. So we are checking only sample points. Yeah. Actually, we are getting time. Huh? Normally, people should be here. People should be here. So this will help us for right conclusion. This will help us right time closure. Otherwise, it will not complete today. We have got many checklists. Please be clear.
Suppose because we can read the engineering related thing, we can ask the engineering
Absolutely.
online and we can do it. With the way if they are not responding, we can put it as a recommendation. But this is the thing, assurance process will be provided by the respective.
Actually, I am injured, and actually I had some.
The 2 minutes. He is busy with some other vehicle.
Okay.
He promised within 2 to 3 minutes.
Actually, because we told the site team for 12 o'clock is a lunchtime, whether we can inform them that will go on now.
They should go. Construction, I mean, the site team can.
Yeah, construction professional.
At least we can inform.
Yeah.
You go and come back by 12,
Yeah.
11 o'clock. So
Yeah.
we can start it by 1.
Can